Get him out. Get him out and put him over here so he runs and does it. And says balls. Balls.
This is a ball. A ball.
Do it again. Do it again.
All right, Lila, come over here.
Lila, look out, baby. Come here.
Yes.
Come here.
Yes.
Mommy wants to show you. Good. Go, buddy.
Balls. I was doing that to him earlier and he didn't like it. Oh! Woo!
You guys keep throwing all the balls out. What are you doing?
Oh, man. Daddy. Who's going to clean up all those balls?
Lila will clean it up tomorrow.
What?
Tomorrow! That means you have a girl right now! Yay!
Oh, my gosh.
Maya, go. Put them back in, Lila.
Oh, you guys ran out of balls. You're going to have to put them back
We
in.
need more balls in there. You can't do it anymore until we get more balls.